How to snip same part of screen as last time? In Windows 10, I can use the snipping tool or snip and amp sketch to snip apart my screen, basically a screenshot plus crop to selection. I would like to snip the same part of the screen after I perform some other operation in another application that changes what's shown in that part of the screen. I have to manually perform this operation, for example by pressing some button in another application. An example use case would be: I run my code to draw something to a canvas in my browser. I snip that part of the screen. I change the code to modify what's drawn to that part of the screen. I'd like to capture the same rectangle from the first snip. Is there an easy way to do this in Windows 10? One way I can think of doing this is to screen capture that region, for example using Liscap, then dig in to find the desired frames. This is non-ideal because my intermediate operation could take a long time, there might be quality issues with the extracted frames, and it's a lot of work to use some tool to extract frames. Solution summary. Multiple solutions worked. Here are brief differences. See review sites for more detailed comparisons. SharX and GreenShot are the best. SharX has more features. Doesn't sacrifice too much convenience. Probably has higher proficiency ceiling, so it's preferred if you need to snip on a regular basis. GreenShot is simpler to use out of the box. Snagit probably also fulfills my needs, but I didn't try it because it costs $50, didn't bother with a 15-day free trial. Other methods either didn't work or would not be convenient enough.
GreenShot has an option to capture last region. Highly recommended. Also very easy to do quick edits such as highlighting and obfuscation.
As far as I know, there is no way to re-snip the previously snipped area using the snipping tool. The best way to achieve a similar functionality with the snipping tool is to the window snip or full screen snip available in the mode menu. Clicking the same window showing a different section of code etc. and trimming it down to the section you want. Alternatively, the open source tool SharX looks to have a similar functionality as you describe. The menu options for that are further described here in a GitHub feature request for said functionality. Pro tip 1. The key Shift plus Win plus S launches the new /alternative snipping tool in Windows 10 quicker. Pro tip 2. Windows 10 in 1903 now has a multi-clipboard built-in. Turn it on in the settings, and you can use Win plus V to paste any of the last 10 copied items.
One fairly straightforward way to do this is to separate the capture operation from the crop operation. Capture either the entire screen with Ctrl plus PR and SCR or a window with Alt plus PR and SCR. Paste into an image editor which supports layers 1. Repeat until you have all of the captures as layers of a single image. Then crop the image and save the layers out one by one. I use the GIMP, but I'm sure there are plenty of other options.
Is there an easy way to do this in Windows 10? Unfortunately, this isn't possible using any of Windows 10's own screenshot tools. I am open to using third-party tools. TechSmith Snagit is probably the best tool for the job for this. I want to snip the same rectangular part of my screen. for example 10 px from top, 25 px from left, 100 px height, 200 px width, a fully specified rectangular part of my screen. The following settings would accomplish exactly that. Using the above configuration, every time you press Print Screen, the same region of the screen would be captured and saved as an image file in your chosen target folder.
If you want to support this channel, please consider subscribing.